Okay, so I have to record this by my phone because the stupid Brandy Cam is not working with my computer. Yay, computer! I'm not very good with technology, so. Anyways, so I rewrote this whole entire thing, so I hope it makes sense to everybody, and I hope it makes sense. So the topic I'm going to talk to you guys about is a veterinarian. So this is my thesis. I want to show or tell people how hard veterinarians work to save our furry friends and the unspeakable bond they have with animals and clear up misguidelines they have about vets and certain animals. Like any other person that goes through medical school to become a doctor, a nurse, psychologist, and a veterinarian, they take an oath to swear their knowledge and skills that they will do right for the benefits of society today. Here are my facts. So I put my main points a little bit together. So animals get aggressive around veterinarians and people they do not know. You say, what? Do we need to impound these animals? Do we need to get rid of these aggressive animals? What do we do? What do we do? Help me. That's what you're thinking. Like humans being afraid of going to the doctor for a checkup, immunization shots, check on the baby, etc., our furry friends can become scared too, especially around someone they have never seen before, especially in a long white coat. I mean, think about it. You went to the doctor when you were probably 10 or 5, and they come out with their long white coats, and you're looking at them like, what are you going to do to me? Are you going to be nice? Are you going to be gentle? Mom, help me. Can we get the heck out of here? That's what you're thinking. When they see our friendly neighborhood vets, they can get aggressive by urinating, panting, drooling, growling, all that fun stuff. Am I right? Like, I mean, think about it. If you took your dog to the vet, they probably were clinging to you. They probably were trying to urinate on you, and they were probably trying to bite your veterinarian. So how do we calm animals that is nervous at the vet's office or clinic? We start a challenge with our furry friends that they can handle. A challenge? What are you talking about? Why a challenge? And we slowly progress them to get used to people in long white coats. It's better to challenge your pets so they can get used to situations and handle things a little better than what they're used to. So it's great that way, so you and the vet can feel just relaxed when they are going. And it gets you guys to understand the signs animals are giving you. It will help you bond with your pets better. I mean, think about it. You go somewhere and your pet is looking at you like, hello, human slave, I need your attention. I'm trying to give you a signal. And you look at him like, I love you. And they're like, ah, why don't you understand me? That kind of thing. That's what they're thinking. Dogs and, my second point is vets get a lot of patients daily and hardly get time to themselves. Doctors and vets have a ton of things in common. One of them is running around like a mad person, treating patients, all the patients they can, and giving bad news to families. Not the fun part of the job for either profession. No, I mean, if you go into an ER or a vet's clinic or whatever, you see them running this way, you see them running that way, you see them running around like a madhouse. And you're looking at them like, why are you going crazy? A veterinarian will see up to 40 to 50 patients a day. That many patients in one day? Jeez. They examine one of them for every 15 minutes, and that is 8 hours with no breaks. That is a lot of feet pain and needing a pedicure just to keep their feet healthy and in shape. The doctors are lucky they get to have a break between patients until they're caged again. And that is better than having your feet barking all day. Bark, bark, am I right? There are less veterinarians than there are doctors and nurses. Never in a mindset would you expect one of the world's most dependable doctors in the world to be going down in numbers. And the question is, why are they going down in numbers? Doesn't anybody want to work with animals anymore? The reason there isn't as many veterinarians as there are in any other career field is vets are committing suicide. 1 in 6 veterinarians have considered committing suicide, and that is a big factor in our life. Working together get less hours, working solo gets more. So wherever you go to get your pet checked, there is a working in a group of people or a vet by themselves. Those who work together get less hours, but it also means being on call and working weekends. Being on your own, you work more hours and a lot more weekends. Love all animals and have great people skills. Vets face danger every day working to save our pets, and that takes a true hero to deal with getting bit, scratched by frightened animals or aggressive animals. What doesn't help our friendly neighborhood vets situation when dealing with aggressive or frightened animals is when their caretaker owner is being emotionally abusive or demanding. But it takes a great deal of patience and understanding not to let the owners get to you. Sorry if I'm overdoing it. I'm trying to keep this short as possible, but I'm overdoing it. In conclusion, it takes a true hero like a veterinarian to be patient towards our furry friends and humans, but it also takes a great deal of work to keep everything in order and work in order so that the pets are happy and the owners are happy. However, people could do a whole lot better in how they treat veterinarians. They will do all their time for these animals, and we should be more appreciative about it. So sorry, I didn't mean to take forever. Sorry. Go to vcahospitals.com, news.vin.com, www.washingtononpost.com, careertrend.com. Those are my stuff. So thank you. Bye. Sorry.